Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to enable DRM in Brave. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your browser. And once done, go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and click on Settings. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and find the search bar. Click on it. Now just go ahead and find Component. Okay. Type it down and just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, here, as you can see, we now have a Widevine DRM. Okay. Make sure that this one is enabled. Okay. This slider right here. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Another option to navigate to this setting page is just by opening up a new tab. Now just type down Brave : /components. Okay. Hit on enter. Now when you go ahead and scroll all the way down, you will find a Widevine as well. So just make sure that you update everything from here. Okay. Check for update. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.